So this is a special instrument for doing water displacement. It's called a displacement can or displacement canister. And it's a can, but if you look inside, there's a spout that connects from the inside to the outside. And if water goes above the spout or reaches the spout, that water drips out. So if I put water in, this is just setting it up. I'm not doing any measuring it, I'm just setting it up. I want water right to the spout. So I'm gonna wait for it to stop dripping, and that means it's right at the top. That's kind of neat. You can see each drop going in.
Mm-hmm.
That is pretty neat. That's neat.
Okay.
Okay, so if I put something in there,
I'll hold the ball.
if I put something in there, water will come out the spout, and the exact volume of whatever I put in there is the amount of water that will come out out the spout, and we'll catch it in a graduated cylinder. So if I put 10 cubic centimeters in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubic centimeters in, then 10 milliliters of water should drop out, because these will displace 10 milliliters of water through the spout and into the graduated cylinder.
So we see it collected 10 milliliters of water, and we had put 10 cubic centimeters inside the displacement can. So that shows us that 10 cubic centimeters will displace 10 milliliters of water. The displacement can is an excellent tool to use if you're trying to measure the volume of something that won't fit in a graduated cylinder, as we'll see. Can you describe a method we could use to measure the volume of these action figures?